Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today's dish is a recipe made with Chinna Vengayam or shallots. It is an all-time favorite for breakfast at home along with idli or uttappam. It also pairs so well with chapati too. Here is how to do a simple Chinna Vengayam chutney. Indian shallots, also called as the sambar onions, are used for making this recipe. Here is a small tip to peel these shallots. Soaking the shallots in water for 15 minutes makes the peel slip off easily. This method works well and saves time if you have to use a lot of shallots in a given recipe like this one today. Heat Indian style sesame oil, also called as the gingely oil, in a pan and add in the dried red chillies. I add a combination of regular Guntur chillies and a couple of Byadagi chillies. The Byadagi chillies adds a very nice color to the chutney. If you do not have the Byadagi chillies, you can omit it and add only the regular dried red chillies. Saute for a few seconds. Chillies burn fast, so just cook for a few seconds, and once the chillies are plump, remove it from heat immediately. Set aside for the chillies to cool. In the same pan, add in the shallots. If the shallots are big, then roughly chop them so the shallots cook evenly. Now add in the roughly chopped regular onions. The regular big onions gives the dish a very faint sweetness that complements the spicy chilies so well. Add in the chopped garlic. Add in the salt. The salt will help the onions sweat and will cook it faster. Add in a marble-sized tamarind. Saute for about 6 to 7 minutes on a medium flame till the onions are nicely caramelized and golden in color. You can make this chutney with 100% shallots only and it works fine. It's totally up to you, but the addition of these big onions gives a nice flavor and it rounds the taste. The onions will slowly start to char and brown. Once the onions are brown, remove from heat and set aside to cool a bit. Take a mixie and add in the roasted chilies. Add in the roasted onion mixture along. Grind this to a smooth paste without adding any water. Our onion paste for the chutney is now ready. Now we will temper the small onion chutney. Heat Indian style sesame oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add in the split urad dal. Add in the mustard seeds. Add in the dried red chillies. I have used the gundu variety of chili today as it gives a nice aroma, but you can use any kind of chili that you have in your pantry. Add in the curry leaves and the asafoetida. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add in the ground paste to the pan. Add about quarter cup of water to the mixie and wash the mixie and add it back to the pan. Mix everything well to combine. Add about half a teaspoon of powdered jaggery to the chutney at this stage. I like to add a little jaggery as it nicely rounds the flavor of the chutney. If you do not want to use jaggery, it's totally up to you, but it won't make the chutney sweet. It just rounds the flavor and makes it taste super delicious. Saute for a couple of minutes until the consistency of the chutney is slightly thick. Since the onions are already cooked, we do not need to cook the chutney for a long time. Our delicious Chinna Vengayam chutney is now ready. Serve with idli, dosai, uttappam or even chapati. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please do not forget to leave a comment below. Also, Show us some love by hitting that little like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye.